Ready to take control of your online finances with a secure and easy way to send and receive money? First, let's head over to the PayPal website by typing paypal.com into your web browser. Look for the sign up button on the homepage. Click sign up to proceed. PayPal will ask if the account is for personal or business use. Most users will select personal account, then click next. Next, enter your email and create a strong password. Follow password requirements, then re-enter the password to confirm. Input your first and last names, select your country, and enter your phone number. Review PayPal's user agreement and privacy policy, then click agree and create account. Congratulations, you've created your PayPal account. Link your credit or debit card or bank account to send and receive funds. This is crucial for transactions. Explore how to send and request money. The dashboard shows your balance and transaction history and has quick access to key functions. PayPal ensures secure transactions. You're now ready for online payments. Keep account details safe and always verify sender information before sending payments.